Hello everyone, you're watching my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll explain all the functions of the Gree air conditioner remote control. Let's get started. First, let's look at the power button. Press this button to turn the air conditioner on or off. Now let's learn about the mode button. It lets you switch between different operating modes. Auto mode automatically adjusts the temperature and fan speed for the best comfort. Cool mode lowers the room temperature and provides refreshing cooling during hot weather. Dry mode removes excess humid air while keeping the when you only need better airflow. Fan mode circulates air without cooling. It's perfect when you only need better airflow. Heat mode provides warm air during winter. This feature is available only on inverter air conditioners. Press the temperature up button to increase the set temperature to your preferred level. Press the temperature down button to lower the temperature for more cooling. Use the fan speed button to choose low, medium fan speed. Press the swing button to move the air vents automatically for even air distribution. Turbo mode delivers maximum cooling by running the aircon at full power. Sleep mode gradually adjusts the temperature for a comfortable sleep while saving energy. Use the timer function to quickly turn the air conditioner on or off at your selected time. I Feel mode uses inside the remote for more accurate cooling around you. X fan keeps the indoor fan running after cooling to dry moisture and help prevent mold. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.